That's number one, to provide you the safety and the security of the personal information that you keep.
A&D will not solicit the broker's customers or prospects in LEADer CRM.
We would like to get your feedback on our AIM partner portal and to make it as user-friendly as we could. We have the field for the lead source. It could be a website, inbound call, inbound email, event, referral. So there is a plenty of different options for lead.
Hello, everyone. We are so excited. Today's a big day. Happy New Year. And today we are covering one of the most important things in our business, our CRM. And I am super excited because we also have one of our most important people in the company with us here today, our head of partner development. She's going to be going over everything LEADer CRM, Xenia Vulich. We are so excited. Hey guys, before we get started though, we love to hear from you where you're at. If you could just drop a quick note in the chat, get everybody acquainted here. So I want everyone to be able to find the chat box all the way at the bottom and tell Xenia and I where you are joining us from. So where at in the country are you? Or are you on vacation in Tahiti? Tell us that too. We like Tahiti, Fiji, any of those cool places. Heck yeah, wow. Oh yeah, lots of Florida in the house. Texas, me too. It's freezing here. 30 degrees right now. It's absolutely crazy. We're getting snow. I heard Florida's even cold too. Seattle, okay, that's actually cold. I'm sorry. All right, I'm sorry for my Pacific Coast folks. All right. Thank you so much for that, you guys. Awesome. So nice to meet you all. We're really excited here. So go over the quick agenda here. I will introduce Xenia to you guys as I already did, but just so you know, she's absolutely fantastic. Probably one of the most intelligent and hardest working humans I've ever had the opportunity to have as a coworker. So I think you guys will absolutely love her too. After that, we'll go through A&D Mortgage basics. We do this every single session, but in case you're new, we want to make sure that you know the quick facts of us. From there, we'll talk about LEADer functionality and how our new broker CRM functions. We're also going to go through some benefits for our partners and what you get from working with LEADer and using it. We'll also talk about how a broker will gain access to LEADer. So we'll go through that for you, as well as a quick Q&A session in case you have any questions. And speaking of Q&A, you guys can see on my etiquette side here, I want to remind everybody we do have the Q&A box on the right side. So clearly everybody's gotten the chat box. Thank you for using that. Just a few options over is the Q&A box. If you could direct all of your questions there, it makes it really easy for us to cover everything. We have over 30 people in here right now and growing quickly, so we want to make sure we're able to cover everybody's questions today. And as you can see, video and phone are muted, so we really want the chat and the Q&A to make sure you're interested and loving everything we have to say. Okay, as a friendly reminder too, we'll send out the recording within right now about 48 hours from our session. Xenia, do you have anything to add?
Hi, everybody. I'm so happy to see you all here. So this is my first time joining the webinar. I'm willing to share what we have for you with our newly launched CRM system that we've built in-house. So hopefully you'll love it. I will do my best to present it to you and to guide you through.
Yay! We're so glad you're here. All right, and as a friendly reminder, you guys, who we are. So we are so happy to say that we are officially verified as the #1 non-QM lender. Big thanks to Xenia and her team here. We also currently have over 6,500 partnering broker companies, and we're growing. Soon I'll be on here saying 7,000. Can't wait for that day. With that, we've officially been in the industry for over 20 years. So very good news. We absolutely know what we're doing and continuing to learn more every single day. And we did win the 2024 NMP 2024 Originator Choice Awards and we are operating currently in 47 states. And the best thing about us, responding to requests within 30 minutes. I don't know anyone else doing it, so we love that. Hope you guys too. Do too. Woo! All right. So quick thing here, just wanted to cover a little bit about our story as a friendly reminder. Part of the reason why we got to the point where we are now is through our partnership and ownership with Imperial Fund. So that lets us do everything that we do and become who we are, especially with our niche programs and our growth. So just wanted to do a quick shout out to Imperial Fund, our sister company, and a quick review of our growing footprint. So you can see here we are licensed in a lot of states, and a business purpose licenses only in just a couple states, and only one missing fully. So we're working on you, North Dakota. Can't wait to be there. And without further ado, the woman, the myth, the legend, Xenia.
Thank you, Bridget. Thank you so much. It's an honor that you present me with so warm words. Happy to work with you. So guys, today we are talking about LEADer. So this is CRM free of charge, designed for your needs, designed by A&D Mortgage in-house. We are in the industry for 20 years, so hopefully we understand each other needs. And this is why we understand that you need this system to automate your routine, to work with your clients, to work with your current clients and prospect clients. So this is the only reason why we build our system for you. And hopefully after our meeting, after our webinar today, you can open AIM, the partner portal that we also launched in 2024 for you, with a new design, with a new interface. I know you love it compared to our previous version of the partner portal. So you can just open the portal, go to the top panel, and you will see our CRM loyalty button, which combines now two our new programs for you. So we launched two of them just in the end of 2024. This is our loyalty, where you can earn loyalty points and you can redeem for some cool things. So you can waive underwriting fee, you can credit appraisal reports, so you can request some rushes during the loan process, you can buy some stuff for you. So this is our loyalty program. And another system that we are proud is LEADer. So this is CRM built for mortgage professionals in-house, and it covers what you really do in your business routine. So what you do while sending emails to your clients and to your leads, communicating with them, putting tasks, leaving comments, what not to forget to do with them. So to set up a meeting, to make a call. So this is all we have automated in our system, and using it, you will save your time, you will concentrate your attention on what really matters and not to be distracted by all this routine. So let me guide you really quickly today. I will try to do this in 15 minutes to cover the main features of our system so that you can start using it just after our meeting today. So how we can help you to grow with our system. So there are three main functions that CRM covers, but not like any CRM. Our CRM covers these things just specific for you because it's built for mortgage professionals. It's built for you. So it's not as the ordinary CRM that even you can buy and you can pay for this CRM. This is totally free of charge, and this covers your specific needs. So firstly, it allows to work with your current clients. It's fully integrated with our AIM partner portal, and this is why it automates your loan processing. So all loans that you have inside AIM partner portal would be automatically put into this CRM. This is why you can easily work with your current clients and with your current loans through our new CRM. So this is number one. Number two, it allows you to win new clients. So how it allows you to win new clients, I will explain a little bit later, but believe me, it's just amazing that you can automate your lead generation through your website to our CRM. You can communicate with them, you can send emails, you can leave comments, not to forget to price a loan, to submit a loan, on any details of your scenario and your prospects. So this is just wonderful tool to win a client and to make it happen. And number three, it's retaining and winning new clients. So after getting referrals, growing loyalty of your current clients. So how it works? When you close a loan, so we have some automated emails that can be triggered, and this can be done on behalf of you, some communications to your clients, some congratulations with 1 year anniversary, congratulations with birthdays, some holidays. So this is done by the system automatically, and thus you're always in touch with your clients that you've done some business with, you close some loans with, and this increases your loyalty, your relationships with these clients. So it increases the possibility to get some referrals, to win new clients, so to always to be in touch with them. So this is three main benefits, I would say, of our system that you surely want to use to take a benefit from. Yeah, so just summarizing, this is lead management, this is loan processing, this is getting feedback, referrals, and also we have a reporting tool which is now in development. So once it's done, you will also take an advantage from some reporting tools of our system. Okay, so let's move forward and let's talk a little bit about our functionality in a little bit more detail. So I would like that probably you will get some information from me right now, but I would love that after our webinar, you open AIM Partner Portal and just try using all these systems and let me know your feedback, what you love, what you would like to improve, what you would like to get more features, more functions. So I'm happy to get your feedback after you try our system, because I'm not used to be like in front of you to talk about our new products. I'm more about being behind the scene and taking part in the development of our new products. So this is the main reason I would like to get your feedback on our new product for you. So what we have with our functions of LEADer. Firstly, what you see in bright colors, so this is already done. So this is some functions you already can start using and taking advantage of. So some functions that we have here as a dashboard and lead generation, which is a button that could be integrated with your website to help you generating leads and being put and being automatically put into our system. So this is in development. So this will be done just in the first quarter of our new year. So everything that you can see here in violet, so this is already done. We have email campaigns for you. So it means that you can send different types of email campaigns, mass email campaigns, individual email campaigns directly through the CRM. We have leads, so you can collect all information on your leads. You can import your leads, you can create new leads inside our system, leave comments, track their statuses, send emails, of course. So this is what you already can do through our system. So you can use your saved templates. That means that You can create your own templates and start using them. You can work with loans. That means that all loans integrated with AIM Partner Portal, and you can also work with them. So leave comments, send emails to your clients about these loans, requesting some documents that you are requested by our underwriter, and so far. Also, you can use contacts and companies. It means that you can collect all contact information about your counterparties, about companies, insurance companies, appraisers, any companies that you just have your contacts and you need this contact information to be in one place. You can do this inside our system. So we have a task planner. It means that it can replace your current calendar that you use. Of course, I know that like all of us using different calendars in some email services, I just use my calendar in my phone. So I'm pretty sure you have all of these tools, but also task planner inside LEADer is a cool thing to do and to add to our calendars, basically just because it's integrated with our leads and tasks inside CRM. So if I know that I need to call my client to talk about scenario we talked last time because I'm waiting some documents or some clarification of some details about this scenario, I know that I have a task in my CRM to call this client on Tuesday. And then in my task planner that I have inside LEADer, there is a reminder that reminds me like 1 day ahead or 1 hour ahead of this meeting or this call that I need to do this and not to forget to call or to meet. So this is why it's so cool. And then we have some specific resources just that you already use, I hope so. So Quick Pricer, pretty demanded and hot tool, I would say, of A&D Mortgage. Quick price, easy to use, easy to price any scenario. Submission checklists, so something that just a reminder what documents you need to submit a loan through our portal. And then also POS, so something that we also built in-house that you can send to your client to get some information on 1003 form. So all these tools integrated to our CRM. So this is also handy for you, and please use it as much as you can because it really helps. Okay, then moving forward, I would try to explain a little bit in more detail. I don't want to tire you today. This is just the beginning of the new year. I just wanted to show you really quickly. I know you will do the rest on your own. You will open the system and you will try it user-friendly, so you don't need me even to understand how it works. But I will just quickly explain a little bit on each of these functions. So leads, if we're talking about leads, what it means, leads is prospect clients. So the client that found you on the web, found your website, surfed you on the internet, found your contacts on any website, on any resource that you shared your contact information. So this client wants to talk to you about scenario, about purchase, about refinance. So how it works? You create a lead inside our CRM. You put all the information you know about these prospects. So contact information, some details on scenario, something that you agreed to do. So maybe you agreed a follow-up call on the next week. Maybe you agreed on some email details. Maybe you agreed on some pre-approval to this client. So all agreements that you've already done, you can put inside our CRM. You can leave a comment, leave a note. You can create a task. Please don't forget to call John next week. All these actions can do really quickly, just in 1 second through the lead card. So opening AIM, going to the top panel of AIM, you will find CRM/loyalty button. Click on this button, you will be redirected to another page, to the CRM page. On the left panel, you will see different menu options. So go to leads, you will open leads page. Then there is two buttons on the top. Create a lead, import leads. Create a lead, you just create individual leads. So somebody you're talking right now, maybe on the phone about the new deal. Importing leads means that you already have your Excel spreadsheet that you can import into our system just to automate your routine that you previously done in Excel spreadsheet. So this is how it works. Then you will open the lead card, fill in all the information you know about this prospect, click save, and it's done. It's saved into the system. All actions that you want to do with these prospects. So send an email, leave a comment, put a task, put a task reminder. You can do just directly from this lead card. So basically what it does, it increases your lead conversion to your current clients. So just because you don't forget anything to do, you need to do with this client, you do this timely, so you automate your routine, you increase your conversion, you get new business, you get new clients. What we have more? So yeah, this is the how it works with different statuses. So we have different statuses for leads. You cannot change it for now, but we did our best in like giving them standard names, I would say, that would probably fit any lead funnel that you might have previously. So we have a new lead, we have a contacted lead, we have some leads that didn't pick up phone call when you call them, so no answer from this lead, or just the final stage when you convert this lead to your current clients. So you just change the status of this lead manually, or you drag and drop this lead to another stage. This is how it works. And then you just open the list of your leads. You can see how many leads you have, what you need to do on each of them, how many you have contacted, how many you need to follow up this week, how many didn't pick up phone yesterday. I will call them again one more time. So everything in one page, quite easy to handle, and also very helpful to track your leads, quantity, conversion rate, everything in one place. Okay, so this is something I wanted to share about leads. What we have more? Okay, we have loans. So another page inside our CRM is loans, when you can see all your current loans inside CRM, also what stages they are right now. So there are new loans, there are loans that are in processing right now, there are loans that we are paused like by any reason, so you don't proceed with these loans, and there are loans that are closed. So the system, how it works, it's pretty close to leads. So you have a lead, you have a loan card, you fill in all the information you need to know about this loan. You send emails just from this card. You leave comments, you set up tasks. So pretty the same, very easy to remember because it's the same as lead works. What we have interesting here is that all loans are integrated with AIM Partner Portal. So if you submit to A&D, you have this loan inside Partner Portal. So you have absolutely the same loans inside LEADer. This is just automation, integration between these two systems. So if you work with this loan inside AIM Partner Portal and the status of this loan has been changed to the new one, so it's not submitted already, but it's approved, initially approved, so the status changed automatically inside LEADer. What we do if you submit not to A&D, I would like you to submit all business to A&D, of course, you understand me. But if you have any loans submitted to other lenders, we also have a tool for you to keep them inside LEADer. So don't worry. So you can keep all loans that you have in your pipeline right now. Doesn't matter actually what lender you use, even if I would prefer you use A&D for your business, but you can save all details. So just click on create a loan button, and the only difference between loans submitted to A&D that they are integrated with our AIM partner portal. But if you want to create a loan that you submitted to another lender, so you will just need to create it manually because we don't have access to other systems. So that's the only difference. Yeah, and now on the screen you can see how this loan card looks like. So you can see that all basic information that you need to know and you need to remember about this loan, you will have this information inside this loan card that you can see now on the screen. Okay, yeah, here we have some reminders about functionality for loans that you can send emails just through CRM. What else we can do here? Okay, we can create and complete tasks just by clicking on one button to create task. Then I did something on this loan. I asked for some documents, for some additional documents. So I complete my task and I create a new task if I need a new task to be done on this loan. Okay, what we can do more? Comments. Yeah, we can just leave comments. I don't want to do anything right now, but I need a comment about something not to forget the next time I will work on this loan. So the next time I will communicate with my client on this loan or with underwriter on this loan, I want to have a comment not to forget about something I did on this loan before. Okay. So some details on how this card looks inside. So some loan details, some loan contacts also that are integrated with AIM partner portal. So if you have your underwriter on this loan inside AIM, so you will have your underwriter here inside LEADer card. Okay, so with a loan, what we have here for some additional resources, I would say that help me as a person that works with clients. So I can easily price a loan through LEADer. So what it means that a button, quick pricer button, which actually provides me a very fast quote on my scenario, on my loan, is accessible directly through CRM. So just on the top panel of CRM, you will find a quick pricer that you got used to use on our website or AIM partner portal, which is now also accessible through AIM. So quick pricer. Submission checklist. Also, there is another button for submission checklist that previously could be found on our website, andmortgage.com. Now you can find them inside LEADer. So there is a button for submission checklist for any program. Click on and you will open in another tab this submission checklist. POS, so point of sale. So the link for your client, you can just directly send the link to your client to fill in some 1003 information that would be integrated inside your LOS and also our partner portal. So absolutely free of charge. Please try, let me know how it works for you, how you love it, what you would like to change. Okay, now we will take a look at tasks. Tasks is a really helpful tool for you, so I like it the most along with email campaigns. So tasks is just handy tool when you have million of different things to do, to send emails, to set up meetings, to follow up meetings, to follow up agreements, to ask document, and you have everything in cell phone, on paper as I do. So this is really cool thing not to forget something and to have your plan for the day ahead what I need to do with my clients, with my leads, with my loans, everything I need to do today. So pretty much I wanted to cover about tasks. You will open, you will see how it works, you will love it. Okay, different layouts. So we have a calendar, we have a daily, monthly, weekly, different layouts that you would love to use. Okay. Yeah, task deadlines. So just not to forget when is the final date I need to complete this task. Task reminders, everything that might be helpful for you. Email tool. This is the tool that I love most of all with our system. So what is email tool? Email tool is basically emails that I usually send to clients through Outlook for me. Maybe you use like something different as your service. But what is the best thing about email tool through CRM? It helps me to automate this process, since sometimes I need to send mass emails. Sometimes I want to update my clients about special offer, as you know, your account executives do when we have some updates to our guidelines, or some special promo when we have like right now, starting yesterday, we have 500 discount for appraisals, so we can save money for our clients basically with this promo, with this special offer. So I want to update my clients that I have this opportunity for them right now, as it's limited with time. So it is just for 2 weeks. It's limited by 2 weeks when we can submit a loan with this special. And this is why I need this mass email tool, because I just create the campaign. So I choose the audience. So maybe I want to choose my current clients. Maybe I want to choose my prospect clients. Maybe I have the clients. I want to send an email to clients that worked with me within the past year, and we closed the deal within the past year to get the repeated business from them. So I choose this segment of clients I want to communicate with using this email campaign. I create the email campaign. I put a tag to personalize some campaigns, right? Not so to give some personalization to these campaigns. This is what I want to do when I have limited time to do this, and I want to do this as soon as I can to update about something. This email tool is integrated with my Outlook or with any service. It's integrated with any email service that you use. You just do this once when you set up your leader. We can help you doing this. We have an instruction, we have a guide how to do this. Integrate, and then moving forward, any email campaign that I send through CRM, it's sent not by LEADer, it's not sent by A&D Mortgage, it's sent by you from your mailbox. So it's just totally integrated between these two systems. Also, there is a tool to give you statistics, to give you reporting on the efficiency of this email campaign. So you can see how many opens you had, how many clicks you had, so you can estimate if it was efficient or not, or maybe you will need to do something more regular email campaign, more frequent email campaign to your clients. So you can work with these statistics, you can work with this reporting tool on your own, and then change your marketing tool, right? So you can change your marketing approach, I would say, by changing something in your email campaigns, maybe the frequency of the emails that you send to your clients. Okay. Yeah, what we have here, email campaign analytics, okay. And then we go to some automated emails campaign. Okay, auto emails, right. So for some emails, we just wanted to help you not to forget doing something, right? Because it just takes your attention, it takes your time to keep this in mind all the time. So we did this for you, some automated emails that are sent on some specific dates. So the dates we have right now, some national holidays, birthdays of your clients, if you filled in this information. So you filled in birthday date into the lead card or the client card. So the system will take this information and will send a congratulations card just on this specific date. What we have more, I think we have a 1 year loan anniversary. So the closing date, let's assume 2024, it was the 1st of March. So on the 1st of March of 2025, the system will send this congratulation email to your client, which possibly can affect the repeated business, so that the client will keep you in mind on any future deals. So maybe some referrals to friends or family members. So this is to be on top of their memory about the previous deal that you closed. So if you need something more above of this, so what we already built, just let me know, let our team know, and we will work on this. Okay, contacts and companies. This is pretty simple, so not many words on this. So just to keep all information about counterparties, about third parties that you work with, insurances, appraisers, title companies, account executives, lenders, anybody, just to replace your paperwork or any tool that you currently use to keep all this contact information, just to be in the same system that you work with. Okay. And broker profile. What is this? So the broker profile is just your personal page, which can be opened through the CRM on the right corner of the first main page. So you just put all your information. Some of this information is just integrated with AIM. So your name, your work email, your employer, so the company you work with, dates, something else. So you can just check that everything is correct. And also you have a place to put your additional contact information or your social media. Why it's helpful to do? Because we are currently working on some other projects right now that will help you with lead generation. So possibly you will have an opportunity to connect to your leads, to your clients. You know that we are nationwide lender, so we have our website working on attracting clients. We would be ready to share them with you. So this is why it's so important that you keep your contact information up to date when we start this platform for you, when you can share this contact information. It's good that you already have this information up to date. Also, why it's important, because we are currently working on some extensive marketing tools inside CRM. It means that, you know, we have A&D Studio, right? So A&D Studio is a tool when you can create your flyers, banners, and some other stuff with our marketing team. So they will create some flyers with your names, with your contact details. You can send these flyers to your clients. You can print these flyers and take these to the meeting with client. So all this would be integrated with our CRM pretty soon, so in the first quarter of 2025. And when you have this information up to date, it means that by clicking on just one button, you will generate dozens of flyers that you can save to your desktop, print, and work just in 10 or 15 minutes. So this is why also it's helpful to do this just after our webinar. So we covered all the functions we currently have for our CRM. I know you might have some more ideas that you would like to have inside our CRM, and I would be happy to know them really. So benefits, I think you already got the idea what the benefits could be. So it's increasing business, basically. It's getting new clients, it's getting new referrals because you're always in touch with your clients that you closed a deal maybe even in the past year. So it's automation of your routine. So it's saving your time. You don't need to have everything in your head. You can work on what really matters and not to keep in head that you need to congratulate your client with birthday, or you need to request some documents, or you need to make a call next week because you just put it as a task and the system will remind you about this task. So you don't need to have this in your head all the time. So basically, those are the main benefits that you can take advantage starting now. I already using our system. We have the same system for our needs. So basically very similar to the system that we presenting to you because we have the similar needs between us. Basically, this is what our system does for you. Hopefully, you will agree with me once you start using that it really helps. It saves your time and it helps to gain new business. This is what I would love our system would do for you. How to gain partner access. So as I already mentioned, it's free of charge. So you don't need to pay for anything as for any other services that we built in-house for you. So the access is granted at the same time when you have your credentials to AIM Partner Portal. Unfortunately, I don't know how many new partners we have on this call, how many of you partner with us for many years or maybe for 5 years or more. So I will just explain like the basic information that can apply to everybody. So if you have credentials to AIM Partner Portal, so it means that you have credentials to a loyalty program as well as to LEADer Mortgage CRM. So just because there's a all system integrated between these three systems, so just go to your partner portal using your credentials, go to the panel, to the top panel, then you have CRM/loyalty button, and you're inside both of our system, loyalty and mortgage CRM, which is named LEADer. I also hope that you already use your loyalty program. Don't forget you need to activate your loyalty program to get all the points that for the loans you close with A&D Mortgage. And then you can start redeeming these points for all cool things that we already have. And we are working on 3 more options how to earn and how to redeem these points that will come in January. Okay, so this is everything I wanted to cover today on LEADer. Pass the word to Bridget.
We have so many questions. I'm so excited. Nice job, Xenia. Thank you so much for that. So we're going to go through all your guys' questions. I appreciate everyone taking the time to use the Q&A box. If I could just submit them to the Q&A box for you, I would, but the way my panelist access is, I can't do it. So thank you so much for your patience with me, and we're going to go through them all. So Xenia, we have 16 to go through. We'll try to get through them as quick as possible. I think some of these you covered in the presentation, so don't feel pressured to spend too much time on it, but we'll get through that. Okay, so the first one says, as a loan officer, can we take it with us if we move to a new company?
Yes, you can take this if you move to the new company along with your loyalty points. So how to do this? Firstly, like you need to give this information to your account executive that you changed the company, that you want to move all your tools to the new company, and he or she will guide you through.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Greg had a really good one. He said, can specific groups be created to track leads per lead source?
The lead source, yes. So we have the field for the lead source. It could be a website, inbound call, inbound email, event, referral. So there is a plenty of different options for lead sources. For some special groups, I'm not sure about this. I will put it as a note right now, and I will let you know a little bit later if we have this or not.
Thank you so much for that one. And we had some questions along the lines of what the next one I'm going to ask. So if you answer this one, I might clear some other ones out that are worded similarly. But this one said, will A&D reach out to our clients without our knowledge?
When you start using our system, I highly recommend to read our terms of use that we have. So we have a terms of use that you need to acknowledge before you start using the system. That's number one. Also, when you agree to these terms of use, it means that you start using our system uh, by meeting all the requirements. So you don't send anything that we are not legally that we are illegal to send with our mass emails to clients. So you don't do this. If you do this, this is your responsibility on the consequences of this. But we also mentioned that we don't contact your clients. So you agree that you are doing this with our system. For the automated emails that the question might be about, so you can switch on, you can switch off this function. So if you don't want to have this option switched on and your clients getting these automated emails, you just switch it off, and we don't do this.
Perfect answer. Thank you so much, Ksenia. The next one, and I think this kind of goes along the same lines, but does A&D Mortgage have access to these names and prospects?
We don't have, as a company, of course, besides this system, we have platform that is built in-house, which is working for your needs. So as an IT system, right? We don't monitor any information that you save, that you put inside your system. You have your personal account. This is account with your email that you use. You confirm these terms of use. We don't monitor emails that you send. This is or any contact information that you save inside your personal account. This is why we have terms of use that anything that you save, that you keep inside your personal account, or any emails that you send through this personal account, we are not responsible for the content or for the contact information or for anything. This is your personal account. So you take the responsibility to keep, to save it, to send emails, what emails you send, what contact information you have for your leads or current clients. So we don't look into this.
Thank you so much for that. I really appreciate that. And I think that answers one of ours had a part 2 question about if anyone else had access to the leads and data. I think did you want to go one more?
No,
Okay. Yeah, no.
no, I know. Yeah, maybe I just want to put some attention to this question. This is very good question. And I know that for everybody on this call and for me and for everybody inside our company. So that's number one, to provide you the safety and the security of the personal information that you keep. And you keep this information inside a partner portal, right, for your clients. So it's the same level of security as you have for the partner portal. Is built in-house, so the same security levels apply to both of the system. We never check this information. We never deal with this information you keep. This is your information inside both of our system. The security level are very high, provided by our IT department, by our developers that are employed inside the company. So this is not third party or something. We have our terms of use, we have our confidentiality rules and policies that you can read when you first log in to both of our systems. We are at highly levels or standards of security, like starting the company was set up 20 years ago.
Thank you so much for that. And so we have a couple more here. Are you able to send email comments or email campaigns in other languages, for example, Spanish?
Of course. So there are some, okay, we can split all these email campaigns into two different types. So you have your individual campaigns that you can send, and you create your own templates, or maybe you don't create your templates, but you just use individual email that you want to send to certain client or to certain prospect. Maybe you want to create some template that you will use in any case when you want to request some information from your client, for instance. So you can use individual campaigns, you can use individual emails, you can use mass emails, you can use or create your templates for mass emails, or you can use and create your templates for individual emails. So all these tools are available. And other options that we have is automated campaigns. Automated campaigns that created by us, A&D Mortgage. So this is just 3 or 4 email campaigns. So this is happy birthday, this is happy loan anniversary, this is some national holidays like Merry Christmas, and some more. So this is what we do on your behalf. You can switch on, you can switch off. For the rest of campaigns, so this is created by you. So you can create in any language that that you use. So it's pretty the same as you use for your email service, Outlook, Gmail, Hotmail, any service that you got used to use in your daily work.
Awesome. Thank you so much for that. And so I had one I cleared out all the questions regarding kind of the clients and things like that and the personal information. I just had one left that said to confirm A&D will not solicit the broker's customers or prospects in LEADer CRM, correct? It's for the broker's use and efficiency, right?
Right. I can confirm. As many times as you ask me this question, we don't use this information. We are ready to share some information on our leads. So as I already opened this opportunity for you that we are working right now. So we'll help you with some lead generation, finding new clients, but this is just our internal resource, right? So we're the big company, we are working on promoting our website on the internet. We are attending all the trade shows in the country that we can attend, just with our capacity and with our marketing team that attends as like dozens of events during the year. So this is how we collect new prospects, right? So we're the wholesale lender. So we work, our business comes from you. Our business is wholesale from the beginning of the company history. So we are ready. We would be ready. We don't have this tool right now. We are working on this. We would be ready to help you with gaining new business. We don't use any information of your clients, never.
Thank you. Thank you so much. You handled that all with such grace, Xenia. Thank you. We have one in here. Do you support mass SMS texting?
We don't support SMS texting right now. I know that's the demanded option that we should work on. It has some technical difficulties right now because we have thousands of different brokerages that partner with us, and it's a little bit more complicated thing to implement as personal accounts, since it's integration not with email service but with different call services, right? With different providers, so it's complicated thing to do. We're tracking what we can do to provide you this service, but not right now. But we might be working on this in the future.
Okay, very good. Thank you so much. And oh, I like this one. Christian asks, can we use this for realtors as well, or is this only for clients?
What do you mean for only for clients? I didn't get the question.
Yeah, I think what Christian is asking is if aside from, their clients that they're working with loans, can they also put realtors into the system?
Into the system as contacts, right? I would get, of course, you can put. I just didn't get how you can, maybe you want to send some links to realtors you work with to get some referrals. But if we're talking about just keeping information on realtors that you work with, surely you can do this. So there is a contact type that you can select when you create a contact. So there are like also plenty of like different contact types. You select realtor and that's it, and you save this contact information. I know that from time to time I have some questions about referral program. So if I can get some referrals from realtors in my state and all this stuff. So this is what we are working on right now, the platform that I mentioned, where you can share your contact information if you are a broker, and maybe if you're a real estate agent as well, to find new clients for your business. So this is something that would be accessible during 2025. I'm pretty sure that we will do this during this year. And that would be another great tool that you will have an access to. So yeah, try to cover both of these questions, since to be sure that we answer the question.
You were a mind reader. That was my next one. Really good. And I have a couple more here, just 5 more to go. Can the system be used as a standalone LOS?
No, it cannot be used as a standalone LOS right now. So this is a CRM integrated with our partner portal. And you know that we are not integrated with any like broker LOS right now. So we would like to get your feedback on our AIM partner portal and to make it as user-friendly as we could, to have it the best partner portal in the industry that you will love. So no, for this time, you cannot use it as a standalone LOS. So this is just CRM system inside our partner portal.
Okay, very good. And so someone asked, hello, can I integrate LEADer with an LOS that does not belong to a lender?
No, unfortunately. I know that would be a great tool that you could use. For now, it's not integrated with any other system. So as I explained, the same system about integration between loans submitted to A&D through a partner portal and loans submitted to any other partner portal of other lenders. So all loans submitted to our system are integrated with our system. All loans submitted not to our system cannot be integrated with other systems. So the same applies to LOS. For now, maybe we can work on this a little bit later, since we got some requests on integrated AIM partner portal with some popular LOS, with the biggest one. So we are considering this option, not sure on the decision on this, since we invested a lot of efforts, a lot of resources in providing you the best partner portal. So the same applies to our CRM. We wanna develop LEADer to the level when you love it, you use it daily. So we need you to use this system inside our portal, inside our system, to get this feedback. So for now, it's not integrated. It's a little bit complicated for now, and we invested a lot of efforts to develop our systems.
Very good. Thank you so much for that one. And then I have just one more on this subject, and we have 3 left on questions with Outlook. So it says, what happens to my CRM if for some reason my broker no longer has a relationship with A&D?
So it is the same question, I think, that we answered the first one. So you can take this to the new company.
Okay. And then last question, and we'll answer the rest one-on-one. Do tasks link to Outlook?
Can you repeat it one more time, Bridget?
Yeah, it said, do tasks link to Outlook?
If you create some task in Outlook, you mean if they come to CRM? That's the question?
I believe so, yes.
No, it's not integrated, but this is the thing which is not so complicated to do, and we are working on this. So integration between the service that you currently use, not only for sending emails, but also for keeping your tasks inside. So we already integrated your email service, which you have. You just need to follow instructions. You need to follow guide how to connect your mail service to LEADer. You do this once, and moving forward, it's all connected. And all emails sent through CRM are basically sent from your mailbox, from your mail service that you use. Tasks integration is a little bit more complicated than email integration, but this is something that we already work on. So this could be the development that you would be updated during the first or the second quarter of 2025.
Good, amazing. Thank you so much. And so we'll cover the rest of the questions directly. We'll respond to those folks with any unanswered questions. And of course, you guys can always email us. We want to make sure that when you have a chance here to here we go. Our New Year, New Savings promotion going on. So we want to always help your clients save money on the appraisals. And so from January 6th to January 19th, we're offering a special $500 off for our Super Prime and DSCR submissions. So please, and for rate and term refinances. So please get them with us, and we'll give you that wonderful discount. And then aside from that, couple last things I want to mention. We do have some amazing webinars coming up. Of course, we have our new broker orientation in 1 week, January the 14th. And then after that, one more week after that, we have Mortgage Horizons 2025, our industry experts outlook. This is a really, really fun one you won't want to miss. And then we have in about a month here, doubling down second mortgages as a tool for financial flexibility, which, as you guys know, is a hot topic right now. So please join us for any and all of those webinars. We really love seeing you guys. And also at the end of this session, there will be a survey. This is my favorite part of my job. So if you enjoy having me as much as I enjoy doing it, please, please, please refer us your friends and give us 10s on our surveys. If you want to refer people, or you're not yet a partner, please scan this code, get signed up with us. We're working hard to get to 7,000, so we need you and we need your friends. Please, please, please scan the code and be on the lookout for those surveys. Xenia, anything else you want to say? You did a fantastic job. Your first one.
Thank you. Yeah, this is my first one, so not got used to be in front of you guys. I'm happy to be in front. So I love you all. I love working with you. I'm just not get used to be in front of camera and talking, and even not to hear you in return. So I hope that you like our system. I would love to get your feedback, so you can easily reach out to me, xenia.volok@andmortgage.com. Directly talk to me. You can use our feedback at andmortgage.com if you have any ideas how we can improve our systems or any feedback about processes. So any of these emails that you will send in an email to, I will get your email and I would be happy to talk to you and reply to your email. Other than that, wishing you a wonderful year ahead, since we are in the first week of the new year. So hopefully you get your rest, you spend the time with your family, and wishing you all the prosperous year ahead, many clients. We're happy to help you serving them, and any tools that we develop are just for you and to help you with your business. So here to help at any time. Thank you so much for your time today.